to answer some questions.
Hello.
Okay, let's get started. What's your Uber rating at the minute?
My Uber rating, I think it's pretty good. It's 4.91. 4.72.
4.93.
How did you get to the office today?
By bike.
Took a metro.
I came by Uber, indeed.
If you could take an Uber with anyone, who would it be?
Beyonce, obviously.
Sam Smith?
All of the Kardashians.
It's gotta be Taylor Swift.
Can you name every country you've worked in at Uber?
Brazil.
Singapore.
Estonia, Lithuania, Czech Republic, Poland, Romania.
Egypt, Portugal, Ireland.
What's your favorite Uber benefit?
The food in the office. I hate cooking.
Electric standing desk. The wellness benefit. Last year I bought a bike. Credits, obviously.
Describe Uber Amsterdam in one word.
I think fast-paced.
A go-get-it attitude.
Impactful.
Diversity.
Dynamic.
Vibrant.
Committed. And smart.
Why did you join Uber and why do you stay?
I joined Uber to be able to see the impact of my work in the real world every single day.
I stay at Uber because the more I learn, the more I realize how big the opportunity is. The company has helped me grow in the business and to also grow as a person.